Hi everyone, it's Jandy Autry. Here's what's happening in the 1 Minute Kitchen. Save the beef patty for another day. This big boy is a crispy chicken burger. Here's what you'll need. Skinless, boneless chicken breasts. You'll place them in a zippered bag and pound them gently to tenderize. You'll be marinating them in a mixture of buttermilk, smoked paprika, onion powder, white pepper, garlic powder, cayenne, and salt. Give it a stir. Remove the chicken from the bag, place it in a casserole dish, and pour the marinade mixture over the chicken, making sure it's completely coated. Then refrigerate for 4 hours or overnight. Now it's time for the coating that will give this burger crunch and flavor. In a large bowl, combine flour, salt, smoked paprika, cayenne, oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, and baking powder. When the chicken is marinated, dredge each piece in the seasoned flour mixture, coating really well. Place them on a plate until you're ready to fry. In a skillet, heat vegetable oil and then fry the chicken until it's golden brown and cook through. Lay the cooked chicken on a rack instead of a paper towel to retain crispiness. And now it's time to build the burger with these goodies. For the condiment, it's equal portions of honey and Sriracha sauce, a perfect combo. Mix it up and then spread it over the bun. Next, some coleslaw, then the burger, a little more honey Sriracha, and bacon, crisp and delicious. Top with more coleslaw and the bun. Whoa, what a burger! Crispy chicken. Dive in and devour. We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.